Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Joanne, and I'm here to help you make the most of Excel with our easy-to-follow video tutorials. In this video, we'll be exploring how to create a QR code in Excel quickly and at no cost. Stay tuned to find out more. If you would like to create QR codes in Excel, you can do so by installing an add-in that will allow you to do so. This add-in will make it easy to create QR codes in Excel. Adding add-ins to Excel is super easy. So, to add add-ins to your document, click on the Insert tab at the top of the page. Then, look for the group labelled Add-ins and click on the option Get Add-ins. In the library of features, use the Search option to find the QR for Office add-in. Once you have located the add-in, click Add to confirm your selection and you are ready to go. On the right side of your screen, you can access QR for Office's pane to generate your own QR codes. Before we proceed, it is important to know how to access the QR for Office add-in options whenever you require them. Let's look at how to do that. Let's close the pane. Simply click the X in the top right corner. To view this pane again at any time, select My Add-ins from the menu. Once you have opened the list of installed add-ins, you can double-click on the one that you would like to use, so for us it's the QR for Office add-in. It will then appear on the right side of the page once again. Now that it has been opened, let's move forward and create a QR code together. At this point, from here, you can decide to generate a QR code from a URL, email, telephone number, or any other option on the list. We will use the URL address, so let's select the option http:// before typing in sheetleveler.com. You have the option to choose a color for the generated QR code or the background color, but for now, we will keep the current colors. This slider allows you to adjust the size of the QR code. The size is shown in pixels at the top of the QR code. The final step is to configure error correction. Using an appropriate error correction level can help increase the chances of successful scanning in the event that the code is smudged, torn, or obscured by another image. You have 4 options to choose from, but let's keep it simple and select medium for the time being and continue. Once you are finished making the necessary adjustments, simply click on the Insert button found at the bottom of the page. This will generate your QR code, which you can then relocate wherever you need it. You can easily save the QR code to your computer by right-clicking on it and selecting the Save as Picture option. Once saved, you can use the QR code in any other application. If you found this tutorial engaging and would like to learn more about creating barcodes in Excel, please watch our Sheet Leveler video tutorial. You can find the link to the tutorial in the description below. Are you new to Sheet Leveler? If you would like to improve your Excel skills, hit the subscribe button and learn how to use Excel like a boss. I appreciate you taking the time to view my video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.